Hello, guys. So today we will learn about Salesforce Service Console productivity tools. So we will learn about the tools that are available to increase service rep productivity in Service Console. So the first tool we have is Quick Text, and so Quick Text is a predefined message like a greeting, note, or phrase or answer to a common question. So when our customers ask repetitive questions, and when we have to greet them multiple times, and and it take very much time to type. So that is why Salesforce has made this tool quick text, so we can easily pick the text and just paste it uh, in email chats and more. We can easily insert that, and we can also use keyboard shortcut, as well as we can click on the button using the mouse. So it is great for standardization and replacement of copy paste. So we do not need to copy and then paste. We can just use the quick text and just paste it. So it will save time. And it is good for standardization. So suppose we have a company, and if we send different text to our customer, they uh, will not get a better experience. So that is why standardization is important. Next, uh, we need to consider these questions while designing quick text. So first we need to consider this question: who should be able to use quick text in their communication with customer, and on which channel? So while designing, we need to identify which user needs to use quick text, and on which channel we require to use the quick text. So we need to identify the channel and the users that are required to use quick text. And next is who should be able to create quick text message for themselves. So we need to select the users, those who need to who need to be able to create quick text messages for themselves. If we give every person this permission, then the standardization uh, will not exist. So that's why we need to identify a few persons who can create quick text for themselves. And if there are none, that's okay. And next we have who should be able to create quick text messages for multiple users. So if I am admin, then I should be able to create quick text messages for uh, my users. And if I am a manager, then I am able to create quick text messages for my employees. So we need to identify the person who should be able to create quick text messages for multiple users. Then we need to assign him the permission to do that. And next we have do you want to create unique set of quick text messages for different business units? So we can have different business units like sales, service, marketing, and we can have other units also, like we have divided the unit according to the work. So if a unit works on product A, and if a unit works on product B, so we have different products, and both the products will can require different quick text messages. So we can create different quick text messages for them and distribute them using folders, quick text folders. So we can do that. And next we have, in which scenario does your team need quick text messages? So we need to identify the scenario, in which scenario our team needs quick text messages. So by default it is enabled, but if it was not enabled, then you can enable it by going in setup and finding quick text settings. So these are the hands-on orgs, and this is the org that I have created just now. So I will launch it. And it will take a few seconds to open. And now we will go to the setup, and in the quick find box we will write quick text. Now let's write quick text. So we have quick text settings. So we need to enable that, and this settings will be by default disabled. So if we want to share and organize quick text in folders, then we can use that. We need to click on save button. Now it's saved. So let's go to Service Console. So here is our Service Console app. And now we will consider some scenarios. And before that, we have some points. And the user profile, every profile has a default read permissions, means that uh, every user can insert quick text without any additional permission. So this is by default. By default, every profile has read permission, and they can use quick text without any additional permissions. They can use and insert quick text without any additional permissions. And to give more permissions, like ability to create quick text, update their user profile, or we need to update their user profile or use a permission set. So there is an object called quick text, and on that object we need to provide these permissions. So this is article for help article for quick text. We can see the description of quick text, and we can if we go to give users access article, we can see there it is described how we can provide permissions to the users. So to view quick text messages, users need read on quick text permission, and if users need to set up quick text, we need to give user customize application permission. So these are the permissions, and if we can customize the permissions for users using this data, and we can give these permissions on profile or using a permission set. Now let's move on scenarios. So first uh, we have some service reps that needs to send some mails to their customer before closing the case. So they sell the company sell different types of products, and uh, most of the customers query about how they can uh, open the product, because they got uh, very complex packing for their product, because they want to ensure the product goes without any damage to the customer. So they need to type this again and again to the customers, and it takes a very good amount of time to type it again and again. So in order to avoid that, they can use quick text. So let's set up quick text for them. So this is a case that they have raised, and when we click on the image, it's not loading. Let's refresh it once. So previously they were typing everything, and now let's enable quick text for them. So we will go here and type quick text. As we are system admin, we have all the permissions to create quick text, share them, and we have everything. So we just need to click on this button, new quick text, and we need to type the quick text name, unpack, unpacking instructions. We do not need any merge fields in this quick text, so we will just copy this and paste here, and um, and we can choose the category. But as we can see, we do not have any good category in which we can put this. So we will create one category, and to create the category we need to go to the object manager and find the quick text. We will type quick text in quick find box, and we need to click on the quick text, and in the fields and relationship we will go and click on category, and to create a new category we will scroll down and click on new button, and we will type product inquiry. After typing product inquiry we will save it. Now we have a new category called product inquiry, and if we click here it will not come. We need to do a empty cache and hard reload. We will copy that, and we will press Ctrl Shift R. It will do a hard reload, empty cache and hard reload. And now let's check. Now it is here. Now let's paste our quick text, and we will name it as unpacking. As the service reps needs this quick text, or while sending email we will select email as a channel, and then we will save it. Now our quick text is ready. Let's test it out. So as a service rep I will go here and I will click on email, and when I click on this icon it will show all the quick text that are available for email channel, and this is our quick text that I require at this moment. So I will double click it, and it will be written automatically here. It will paste the text automatically here, and next I will directly send this mail, and it will take very less time for me. And this is how we can use mouse and this icon to send quick text, but we can also do it by using keyboard. We just need to press Control and period button. Control period button. Then it will open quick text, and we need to double click here, and it will paste the text here. So this is what I am pressing, CTRL plus, then I am pressing this period button, dot button. This is what I am pressing, and it is opening quick text automatically. And after using the quick text, I can easily send the mail. So I need to verify my mail, and I will do it later, but I think it will be clear how we can use the quick text. And we have created this quick text for service reps, and so we have completed this scenario. Now let's create quick text for managers. And so managers needs to assign similar multiple tasks to service reps. So service reps managers needs to assign some tasks to them, and they are nearly identical, and so they are typing this again and again, and it's taking very much of their time. So we need to create this quick text for managers. So to create quick text for managers, so we will go here and click on new quick text, and we will name it as assign customer task, and we will paste the quick text here, and we will choose the channel as task and click on the save button. Now the quick text is created, and it is from the managers. And if now let's test it out. So we will uh, open task object, and let's create a new task. Mm, now now I have only one user, which is me, and it's okay. And we will take the subject as other and priority normal and control period. Double click here and the text is automatically pasted. We can use control plus period, or we can use this icon here. After that, we need to click on the save button and this task is created easily. So it is working fine for me. And
as we have created quick text for service reps and managers, now the only thing that is left for us is to provide all the necessary permissions that are required for both of the users. As every profile has a permission to read the quick text, so we do not require to assign any permissions for service reps. And if they can read the quick text, they can also use it.
but we need to share quick text with them. To share the quick text with service reps, we will go here as we need to create a new folder. We'll name it as for service reps. So we need a folder unique name. So we'll copy that and paste it here and click on save button. Now to add the quick text inside it, we need to go in all quick text, and so we will go to the setup, and in setup we will go to the object manager and then to quick text object, and then we need to go in page layouts, and we just need to click on edit button, and after clicking on edit button we need to drag this folder field into the layout. Now let's save it. Now we have added the folder field here, and we just need to do a empty cache and hard reload. And the folder field will come here. Now we need to choose the folder for this quick text, and we will choose this folder and select this folder. Now let's click on save button. Now we have put this quick text inside the folder. Now to share that folder with service reps, we need to click here and click on the share button. Now we can share this folder with users, roles and internal subordinates as well as public groups. So currently we do not have any public group. So for users, let's assume integration user as a service user, and
If we give users view access, users can see and use the messages inside the folder, but they cannot change them or add new ones. And if we give them edit access, they can add, update, and delete the messages inside the folder, but they cannot change the folder's name or share it. And if we give them manage access, users can have full control. They can edit messages, rename, or delete the folder itself and share the folder with others.
now let's click on share button, and now the service reps are added here. Now they can easily use this quick text. So the first scenario is completed. Now in the second scenario, uh, we need to create a permission set, because we can create a permission set, or if managers have a different profile, we edit just edit on the profile and provide them with all the necessary permissions so that they can be able to create and maintain quick text messages for their team. So now we are creating a permission set. So we'll click on home button and type permission set. We will click on new button quick text permission for service manager, and click on save button. Now we need to type quick text in quick find box. So we need to click here, and so manager needs permission so that they can be able to create quick text. So for creating quick text, let's check what permissions are required. So we need to give a create permission. So the best permission will be this for managers too, because they also need to manage the quick text. So they need edit as well as delete on quick text. So all the create will not work. So we will edit here and create, edit, delete. Also, if you have noticed that if we click uh, on create, so read will be automatically done. Now we have all those permissions, and they also uh, require to maintain quick text message for their team. So they will definitely require a folder to share uh, the folder with their team. So they need a permission to create quick text folders. So create on quick text permission is required, and they already have a create permission, and that's it. That is it. They required, and let's save it. And now we have our permission set ready with us, and we just need to click on manage assignments, and then we need to click on this button, add assignment, and we need to add the manager here like this. So currently I'm assigning this permission set to myself. So I will click next year, and with no expiration date, I will click on assign. So this is assigned to me. So this is how we can assign this permission set to our managers. So this is it for quick text, and so this is it for now. In the next video we will discuss about macros. So thank you guys.